Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti G37 with a dead battery. First, you'll need to find the mechanical key hidden within your key fob. This small, often overlooked key is essential for manual entry. Once you have it, carefully insert the key into the keyhole on the driver's side door. Give it a firm turn clockwise to unlock the door and gain access to your vehicle. This is the crucial first step when your remote isn't working. Now that you're inside, the next step is to access the trunk. You can typically find a trunk release lever near the driver's seat, often on the floor or lower dash. If that doesn't work, you might need to pull the hood release first, then look for the trunk release. In some cases, if you can get into the back seat, there's an emergency release handle inside the trunk itself, usually a glow-in-the-dark lever. With the trunk open, you can now access your battery for a jump start. First, connect the red, positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of the working battery. Then, attach the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal on your G37's battery. Next, connect the black, negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the other black end to an unpainted metal surface on your G37, away from the battery. Once all connections are secure, start the engine of the good car and let it run for a few minutes. Then, try starting your Infiniti G37. If it starts, keep both cars running for about 15 minutes to allow your battery to charge. When disconnecting, always remove the negative cables first, then the positive ones. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals. Drive safely, and consider having your battery tested soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.